in the amount of time it took me to pull the trailer out, pull Ruby out, and then put the trailer back in, it rains in those 5 minutes. And then guess what? It stops raining now. So now I need to dry Ruby because today we are going to Donuts, Cars, and Coffee at the Petersen Museum. I've literally spent all weekend washing her, detailing her even last night, putting her in the garage so that way it wouldn't get any dust. And now look at her. Now that Ruby's all dry, I'm just gonna lock up and then head out. Donut media cruising at the Petersen Museum. I came home and swapped out Ruby for the Raptor because I needed to make a pit stop to Harbor Freight. Surprisingly, I don't have a detailing car, and this is a little bit embarrassing, but since I haven't moved all my things into the shop yet, I actually have a lot of my detailing stuff laid all over the floor. I have things in buckets here and a lot more things in buckets. I have duplicates of some things just because I'm already running out of one. So I really need to go through everything and clean this up. Also, don't you love the way how Ruby fits in here just perfectly? It's literally her spot right now, and it doesn't even block the drive-through. Parking Ruby in here has been a lifesaver because it literally keeps her out of sight. All right, time to find out how much assembly is required. What do I have that's tiny enough to hold that? Tell me why this is working though. One of these, one of those, one of these. Oops. Ta-da! All right, testing it out. Ooh, this is perfect. Okay, let me change the lighting so that way you can see a little bit better. That should look a whole lot better now with the two lights on, but I figured that I can just go through all the detailing products that I use on all of my cars. So in no particular order, let's start off with my favorite foam soaps. So I love the Armor All Snow Foam, and I recently tried out the Pro Elite because it is a little bit more affordable than the Armor All. But right off the bat, I can tell you that the Armor All is way more foamy than the Pro Elite, but I'm still gonna give this a fair shot. This Meguiar's Ultimate Wash and Wax is my favorite car soap, but it is not foam. So I actually go in first with the foam wash, rinse that, and then I will go back in with an actual sponge and use the Meguiar's. But this is my ultimate favorite soap to use. My favorite glass cleaner, my favorite tire shine, my favorite vinyl, rubber, and plastic protectant, another vinyl leather rubber protectant, and this is my favorite wheel and tire cleaner from Adams Polishes. I use Simple Green as a degreaser. Goo Gone. More wheel and tire cleaner. Now all I have in here is just some of my car soap and water to spot clean, so I'll just leave this on here as well. I have this leather honey for leather cleaner, a leather conditioner. The Meguiar Scratch X is literally a lifesaver. When I hit a branch on my Raptor before I got PPF, I actually used this to remove all the scratches and buffed out everything, and it left it completely flawless. So having this in my detailing cart is a must. This is a makeup setting spray, but I actually use this bottle for my tire shine because it gives me a way better control. So I just like to keep a small bottle in handy so I can throw it in my car, but I do not use this for makeup. This is literally because I love the way this spray is and I can evenly apply the tire shine. This is an almost empty bottle of tire shine. So let's just move a couple things over and put it right next to that. This is the Chemical Guys After Wash. This is probably the first after wash I've tried. And I have a brand new one as well. The Chemical Guys Clay Luber. Let's move all these brushes in this middle section. The bottle for my foam, so I'll probably leave this up here. Hopefully it doesn't roll. Steel wool, so let's put this here for now. This is actually a dust cleaner gel, so it's brand new. Let's put this on the top. And I do have 2 complete clay systems from Chemical Guys because I do plan on decontaminating my daily, which is my Camry. Maybe I could put this up here. All my tire brushes. Now this is actually for the vinyl. I do have my tire shine, my tire brush, a random brush. So I'll just put these in here. And my wash mitt and sponge. Right here's perfect. I have this guy. I guess I could put him here for now. And what's left in here is all of my clean drying towels. So I have different sizes and different uses for them. And this is maybe like a third of my towels. So I actually need to wash the rest of them. So I'm just gonna organize these at the bottom. I'll pick this up, put it here. All right, another one done. Now this last one is all of the attachments for my vacuum. So I really want to put them on here, so I might need to move some things around. Maybe on the bottom might be the best. But I really like how all the towels are there. And there you have it. These are all the detailing products that I currently use on all of my cars. And this looks so much better than keeping this in separate buckets. And clearly I had a few duplicates of a few things. So now that I have everything in one car, it's just gonna make setting up for washing the cars a whole lot faster. I hope you got to enjoy the cruising and organizing all of my detail products. Thank you so much for watching and honestly hanging out with me today. I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe. Bye.